Siyempre naman. Hanggang ngayon naman, ganun pa rin naman ako. Para sino naman ako hindi maggaganon.
Diba? So ngayon, gumagawa ka ng mga pelikula. Nung araw, magkaka-age level lang kayo. Okay? Ngayon naman, ilan yung agwat mo dun sa leading lady mo?
Kaya nga pelikula eh.
Oo nga.
Mahirap! Tanong mo, hindi ko ba nahihirapan? Naiilang?
Oo, nailang ka ba?
Mahirap! Kailangan akma ang storya. Anong storya mo?
Dapat tailor-made talaga.
Kailangan ganun talaga. I should play my age and she should play her age. Kasi hindi naman pwede magbata-bataan ako. Di ba? If they're expecting for sensuality and like that, there's no like that. It was done very tender. It's funny. It's nice. Feeling good pa rin, di ba?
Anong ibang aga mulak ang
Wala naman po.
Wala.
It's just an older me. In my 50s, and that's my role. So, it's different. Kahit ako na pinapanood ko nga eh. As a matter of fact, sabi ko, who's my audience now? Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi mo alam kung...
Sino? Who's my target market? Kasi nga, like I did Miracle in Cell number 7 in 2019. After that, wala na akong ginawa. And then now, I'm doing this movie with Julia. And sabi ko nga, there's nothing but gratitude for me in my heart because I'm able, as an actor, to work with her generation.